Welcome back to the scooter spot. This is Ryan. Today we are unboxing the GoTrax G4. I think this is their best-selling scooter. I'm excited to try this out because this one is a little more powerful than the other ones I've tried. This one's got better speeds, better range, bigger tires, all around beefier scooter. And I just moved to the city of Charlotte, so I need to go a little bit further, get around a little faster. So this will definitely come in handy. So let's open up the box and put it together. Got this box open. We got our quick start guide over here. We've got our charger over here. And then we got our screws and air pipe floating around somewhere inside. So let's take it out. I like to just put this in now as I stand the scooter up, just makes it easier. So just keep in mind, when you're assembling, you do have to put the handlebars into the stem. Now we're gonna lift it out of the box. And we're gonna put the kickstand down through the saran wrap. Out of there. Next to the rest of my trash from unboxing another scooter. So we have the G4 out of the box. I got the handlebar set in the stem. First impressions, this looks very similar to the G3, a similar build of a scooter, but I noticed that the wheels here are bigger, and this is, of course, a more powerful scooter with higher speeds and more range. So we've done half of the assembly. We put the handlebars in the stem. Step two, last step, is just to screw in the handlebars and lock it in with the hook. And then you're done. I got my screws and my Allen wrench in the little baggie that they provide, and I'm gonna screw these in. There's two on each side. And then we should be good to go after we charge it. I'm screwed. I'm hunched over it. And with those 4 screws in, the GoTrax G4 is all assembled. Now I'm going to give this a couple of test rides, try it out throughout the city, try it out through more of the suburban area, and then I'll have a review coming up on the channel. So if you want to see that, please subscribe, and we hope to see you next time for the review.